Howdy folks, ShaggyDeal32 here, and today we are going to be 100%ing Lawnmower game on Steam. This run should be pretty straightforward. All you have to do is find 3 hidden pumpkins around the map and mow the lawn for 1 hour in a row. Without further ado, let's hop straight in. Alright, just like that, we should be getting our first achievement. There we go, start game. And now we actually get to play our first lawn mowing game. Alright, so I've been really excited for this game for quite some time. It seems pretty hyped up, very popular, very mainstream right now. If you guys do enjoy this style of content, of me 100%ing games on Steam, let me know in the comments below what you guys would like to see me play next, or what other content you would like to see me do. But our goal right now is we're going to find the pumpkins and then grind out on the fields, refueling our lawnmower. You can see at the top left our fuel percent going down. Hopefully it doesn't reach a 0 or we have to start all over again, which would be quite unfortunate. But if we just hook her right here, follow this path down, we should be getting a pumpkin with no problem whatsoever. Oh, and there it is. Okay, so we found pumpkin number 1. Our objective is to now go hunt down the other... Oh, that's loud. Hunt down the other 2 pumpkins and just mow the lawn for an eternity. I see the second pumpkin off to the left. First, we're going to go ahead and refuel, because it would be very unfortunate if I have to play this game for any longer than an hour. Alright, we have found the second out of the third pumpkin. And now there's just one more pumpkin to get, and then absolutely grind the fields, make sure they are spotless. Alright, that is 3 out of 3 pumpkins found. Now our objective is to stay alive for an absurd amount of time. Maybe plow a field while we're doing so. Although it looks like the grass might be spawned. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and time-lapse this so y'all don't have to suffer like I did. See you guys shortly. And just like that, we have 100%ed Lawnmower game on Steam. Toodaloo.